Hello friends, welcome to the second part of ESP erection. In this video we will discuss the things which we have not discussed in part 1. When you got the civil front, that is the IP level at the top, then you have to first do the erection of slide bearing in ESP. Slide bearings, you can here see there are 4 columns in the front and 5 nose column in the Y direction. So out of these columns, one is fixed foot. Fixed foot does not have the bearing, and further after doing the erection of bearing, you have to do the erection of bottom girders. You can see in the video, I will zoom out, these are the bottom girders. In the video you can see these are the bottom girders resting on the slide bearing. After doing the erection of bottom girders, you are ready to do the erection of hoppers. The current building is having 12 nose of hoppers. You can do the erection of hoppers after doing the assembly on the ground. Now the third stage of erection is vertical columns. You can see in the video which I have discussed in the first part of video. There are 4 nose of vertical columns having 5 nose of columns in one grid line, as there are 4 grid lines. So you can do the erection of that, and the arrangement of doing erection have been discussed in part 1 of the video. Further, we are using crane of 270 MT, which is having a boom length of 72 meter, which is capable of doing erection from radius of 30 meter from building to the end of the building. Here you are seeing we are doing the erection of bottom casing, and after doing the erection of bottom casing in this side, only 3 nose we will do erect. We will further do the erection of bracing between all the 4 grid lines, that is A, B, C and D, that are having pipe bracing. And on completion of that, further we will do the erection of same bottom casing in opposite direction. Further, you are seeing in the video, this is the inlet section of the ESP, and opposite to that, that is outlet section of the casing that will be connected through via outlet funnel